Many beginners start trading with a small account, like $100, but the challenge is growing it without growing it. So here's a simple scalping strategy for small accounts. So step one, you will use a 5 minute or 1 minute chart. Okay, you focus on one pair, for example, Euro USD, which is not volatile, or GBP USD USD JPY, any pair that you focus on. So now step two, you will mark the support and resistance zone. Okay, where price has reacted before, right? Now, for example, here we have different zones. We have the support zone. So now we have that support zone, right? So you wait for the market to come and break your support zone. Then after breaking your support zone, you wait for the market to go back to make a retracement for you to enter the market. After the market making a retracement, you can see that it has now gone in the direction of the trade. Okay, so now after that here, you'll see that immediately after the market breaking your loss, this is another low that the market has broken. And when the market breaks this low, you'll see that it will go back to your zone and it will make another move. So you can see here immediately after the market going to our zone, it had made a move and it has reached our TP. So that is the method that we shall always use. This is a strategy where you wait for the market to break either a low or to break either the high. After breaking the high or the low, you wait for the retracement to a zone. Now, for example, this is another trade. The market broke this low. Now we have to wait for this market to come to our zone, either a fair value gap or an order block or resistance or support, right? So now there's a fair value gap now on our resistance zone, right? It can liquidate it and go to your resistance zone, or it can even move anywhere, right? You can see right here, it has moved and gave us an inducement. Now it has gone back to your fair value gap. Here you can decide to risk a trade from here, a 1 to 3 trade. Then you can wait for your market to and see how it reacts. Okay. So you can see how good and perfect our trade has moved up to our TP guys, right? So now when aim for more consistent profits instead of larger risky trades. So growing a small account takes patience and discipline. Subscribe to GMFX for more forex trading strategies for beginners, guys.